Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So the last time when I did my product empties video, I got so many comments. I'm glad that you guys liked the video, but then I also got a lot of comments where a lot of you actually mentioned ki Sana, it's high time you should start reviewing some products which are Indian made or from Indian brands actually. And I thought yes, that's a good idea and why not? So let me quickly introduce to you guys. In fact, let me quickly tell you, this brand needs no introduction. Of course, if you've gone through the title, you know which brand I'm talking of. Today I'm going to review some products by Khadi Natural, and let me tell you guys that this brand, as it is an amazing one, does not really need any introduction. It is one of the most amazing brands that we have in our country. You can never ever go wrong with a Khadi product, honestly. The best part about Khadi is that it is natural, it is Ayurvedic, and everything is handmade. This brand is actually ISO certified and also kind of believes in good manufacturing practices, which is the GMP. So I really love this brand. And if you're like me who believes that any time is just perfect to actually pamper yourself, then probably this is the video you are looking out for. Let's quickly get started, guys. I will talk about this beautiful and a very luxurious looking packaging, which is Luxury Spa Kit by Khadi Natural. And in this particular box we have lavender and ylang ylang body wash, 100 ml ka bottle. Then we have Sandalwood massage oil, which is mineral free. This is also 100 ml. Then we have peach avocado moisturizer with sheer kokum butter. That is also 100 ml. Then we have rose and papaya body polisher and rose and sandal body wrap, 50 grams each. So in this packaging we are getting actually 5 products, and this is priced at rupees 795, and it says that this is an Ayurvedic recipe. This is clinically proven. This is WHO and GMP certified, dermatologically tested, and also GMP certified by the Department of Ayush, which is really amazing. Let me quickly come to the products. The first product that I want to talk about is this Khadi Natural Herbal Massage Oil. This is Khadi Sandalwood, and it has like cooling effect. If you know that sandalwood has a really cooling effect. So basically, if you have any kind of inflammation on the face or on the body, if you have any kind of itchiness or any kind of rashes or anything that is bothering you, apply sandalwood oil. It instantly heals you. It has Ayurvedic properties, but it is also antiseptic. So if you have any kind of, as I mentioned, rashes or anything that is like a wound or anything, this oil is also kind of protect you, and it's going to heal you as well quickly. Apart from that, this is paraben and mineral oil free. This is their 100 ml ka bottle, and this definitely is going to go a long way. It smells so good. It smells like sandalwood, of course, but it is such a just as you open the bottle, you can just smell it around the room. It is such a beautiful fragrance of the oil, plus it is like completely natural. It is like there are no artificial ingredients into it. It smells sweet, but smells so luxurious. So how you actually have to apply it, you can apply it in your hair, on your face, on your body. Just massage it for a little while, leave it for a little while, like 15-20 minutes to half an hour, and then just rinse it off while taking a bath. It just kind of, even if you have any kind of dandruff or itchiness in the hair, it cools that as well. So it has a lot of amazing Ayurvedic properties. Sandalwood oil is actually known for its goodness since ages, and it's an amazing oil. First of all, the fragrance, I bet if you just sniff it, you will forget everything. So that's how I have followed the steps. First oiling the body and the head, and then going with this body polisher. This actually is kind of like a scrub. Of course, this is a scrub, and it has rose and papaya into it. Papaya is a great exfoliator, guys. It just smells like a fresh rose in the morning. It smells really good, and it is creamy. So when you apply it and scrub it on your body and rinse it off, it not only gently exfoliates your body, that means it kind of gives way to the newer skin, but also leaves your skin really moisturized, nourished, and you feel that softness on your skin. You just feel that something has gone really right with the skin. This is what the packaging is. It comes in a tub. This is 50 grams product, and you do not need a lot of it. I think it is great if you apply it on your neck, a little on your face and arms, and this really does the trick. It is a really good product, guys, and it has just the right amount of coarseness. I mean, they have exactly given that amount of coarseness where you feel comfortable that you are exfoliating, but it's not actually harming your body in any way. Plus there are some smaller granules over here in a cream like a thing, and that cream is very, very nourishing with smells of roses. It's so luxurious, hence the name Luxury Spa Kit. It definitely kind of lives up to its name. So this is one product that I absolutely love. Moving on to the next product that I want to talk about. This is called as Herbal Body Wrap. This is Khadi, Sandal and Rose, and this is so good. I just, you know, take out the product in a small katori somewhere, and I'll just add some you know, rose water or simple, you know, water from the filter, make a paste of it, apply it on my face, neck, a little bit here on the shoulders, and it just gives you that amazing feeling of you know, spa. This has rose and sandal into it. Again, sandal has a lot of cooling properties, and rose, as it is known for its goodness. So this is a really, really good kind of a face pack that you can apply. This particular pack actually gives you very clean, a polished look to your face or wherever you apply it, and it also kind of brightens your complexion. I won't say whiten you, but of course it definitely brightens up the complexion. So this one is an amazing product again. The next product I want to talk about is a shower gel. Now this one is, of course, all of these products are my favorite, but this one in particular I've really enjoyed. This is lavender and ylang ylang herbal body wash. This leaves the skin hydrated. This just rejuvenates the skin. It just makes it feel really energized. Apart from that, it also has antiseptic properties, certain healing properties as well. Lavender is very soothing and calming on the skin as it is. So this is a great product again, and this leaves the skin really soft after all that treatment and everything. You just want to rinse off with a really mild you know, cleanser, body cleanser, and this goes a long way. You do not need a lot amount of it. You just, you know, can take out the product on a small loofah or a, you know, shower sponge and just lather it well and just rinse it off, and you just end up coming out of the shower really clean, smelling really good. It's a great product, guys. I really love it. The next product, and my most favorite, of course this is not the last product, but this is my most favorite product, is this amazing moisturizer. इसके बारे में जितना बोलो उतना कम है. This is Khadi's Peach and Avocado. This is silicone free, phthalate free, this is paraben free, and it is enriched with shea butter and kokum butter. So this is an amazing moisturizer. You can use it on your face and you can also use it all over your body. This is 100 ml ka bottle, and it is so thick. I mean, I have opened the lid of it and you just, it's not going to come out. It is very thick. It is very moisturizing. So after all that treatment to your body, to your skin, I think you really need a very enriching nourishment, very enriching layer of moisturizer on your skin, and this does a perfect job. It is so good. This one is incredibly amazing. I'm not even kidding you guys. The only problem is that since the moisturizer is really thick, it's like a butter. So, you know, with the packaging, because the bottle is really good, the quality of this bottling is really good. It's quite sturdy, so you can't really squeeze out because it is very thick. The cream inside or the moisturizer inside is really thick. So sometimes I fear that I will be wasting the product, so I actually use a chopstick to take out the product, and it keeps your skin moisturized for the rest of the day. So this one is my most favorite product in this particular luxury spa kit. Definitely give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. If you've used it, let me know your feedback on this particular product as well. But if you ask me, I think it is one of the most amazing products that I've tried. Indian made, homemade, Ayurvedic, and completely natural. What more can you ask for? And you're getting 5 products for $7.95. So I think that way it is pretty affordable as well. The next product that I've used the maximum is this particular shampoo. If I can show you, I've used more than half of the shampoo, and this is called as Khadi hair cleanser, which is sulfate and paraben free, and it is hibiscus and aloe vera. It is actually anti-hair fall, so you can see the thinning of my hair. I'm really concerned with the hair fall, so therefore I wanted to try this shampoo out. This one actually repairs dead cells. This makes the hair really smooth and shiny, and apart from that, it kind of enhances hair growth. So I've used it for around maybe 3 weeks now, so I have not really noticed that hair growth aspect itni jaldi abhi. But other than that, you know, I really like the effect of this one. Also because it is sulfate and paraben free, so it is not doing any harm to my skin, because you know that I try a lot of shampoos and I wash my hair every single day. So that way this is really good, and this is for all hair types. So if you have a problem of hair fall and stuff, you can definitely give this one a try. This is 210 ml and this is priced at rupees 375, and you can just follow it with any conditioner or leave it as it is, because it is paraben free, it is sulfate free. Your hair will be really clean and there will not be any residue of the chemical. So I love this shampoo. And apart from that, oh my god, acha, the bottle is not like that, the previous bottle, so it even opens up like this, but you have a flip lid, so it smells so good. It just smells like the Khadi store. Give this shampoo a try. Let me know what you think about it. I wish they had a bigger bottle in this one, but then you can't complain when the product quality is really good. And I'm really loving Khadi Natural. So thank you so much, all of you. I'm going to leave links of everything in the description box, so make sure that you check this out. Definitely check out this luxury packet. Apart from that, let me tell you, agar kisi ka marriage, birthday, whatever, it's a great gifting option, you know, and it is very affordable. $7.95, 5 products, amazing brand. I think this is going to be a very thoughtful pick. So that's about it in this video of mine, guys. Let me know if you've liked it. Let me know how you like the brand Khadi Natural, and just, you know, let's just hang out in the comment section below. So guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you become a part of this beautiful family by clicking on the subscribe button. Hit that bell notification as well, because that's going to give you the updates on my future videos. And once again, comment for comment section below anything that you have to say, anything that you have to ask me, or if you have any feedback, suggestion, anything regarding the products that I've shown in this video. It's going to mean so much to me. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much, guys. Bye.